Hello, hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So, we're grilling on a different grill than we normally do. But a month ago, I guess it would be a month ago now, 3 weeks ago, it was during cleanup week, somebody walked into my yard and ran off with and stole my charcoal grill. My husband's uncle brought us a gas grill. And I cook on gas grill and charcoal grill the same in cast iron pans. In here, all I did was take German sausages, bratwurst, sliced them all up, added a little bit of leftover marinara sauce, a little bit of water, and I'm going to cook it down, and it'll become like a nice thick meat gravy. And then here I have fresh potatoes, all sliced and diced halfway between a hash brown and a french fry.
Hash fry.
Hash fry. And I'm just cooking it down. These are warm enough now I can turn the heat down to low. I always start on medium and I turn it down to low because remember, cast iron holds heat. And once it's up and at this stage where it's fully cooking and sticking to the edge, then we want to turn the heat down. Make sure we get it stirred good. Put the lid back on. Boom! And we let them keep cooking for a while. And we'll have hash fry potatoes with sausage marinara meat sauce. Yum yum, you guys. We'll be back. Okay guys, so the meat is definitely done and it's got nothing but a thin, well, thick gravy left. So that's going to go in the house. The potatoes are probably almost done. Yep. And like I said, these are more of a hash fry. So as you cook them down, they become more like, you guys know what hash is. All of you guys know what hash is out there. And that's what we got here. So this is going to need a couple more minutes. This meat sauce is done. This is going to go in the house. I'm going to bring you inside with me and I'm going to film something with this meat sauce. So for now, we're done at the grill. We'll be back, you guys. Okay, so what we got going on here is I have a loaf pan. This is like the smaller size loaf pans. You can do just 2 big ones or these 4 small ones. The choice is yours. And I just put a scoop of the sauce from the sausage in the bottom of the pan. Make sure it's all over the bottom. Okay. Alright. Next. Here I have leftover garlic bread, like that big slices, long loaves of garlic bread that you buy in the stores. We didn't eat it all, so I took and cut off all the crusty edges. Then we're just gonna shove it in there. Okay guys, and we're just going to take the sausage, scoop the sausage right on top. Split it up evenly. This is 2 pounds of sausage all cut down and then cooked. This feeds a family of 4 quite well. Try to get every inch covered if you can. Boom. There's sauce left over, you guys. You can, any parts that are showing. Then we'll top it off with cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want. We like cheddar.
I don't.
Yes, you do. Kids, they never know what they like until you feed them. And they can never remember what it is that they like. Let's get it completely covered in cheese. And then we bring this out to the grill and we put it on the grill for the couple of minutes while the grill cools down.
And then we show Pantry Cat.
Alright, so we know the potatoes are done for sure. Nice and done.
He's done.
We're going to take them off and set them to the side. And then here is that sausage bake I showed you inside. We're just going to put it in the grill, close the lid, whoop, give it a minute, and then turn the grill off and let it sit in there for like 10 minutes while it cools and / heats up the bread. Alright guys, we'll be back. And there we have it, you guys. I took leftover marinara sauce, leftover garlic bread, added sausage and potatoes, and made myself a leftover makeover dinner. So there we go. My son likes butter on top of his potatoes, then he'll squish them all in and it'll all melt. My daughter likes ketchup on top of hers. And then it's just bite and spoonful and you get bread and you get, it's kind of like an open face marinara sausage sandwich. Alright guys, thanks for coming along and we'll see you in the next one. And remember, stay positive. Bye!